So imagine the scenario, you don't want all of the standard WooCommerce checkout fields. Perhaps all you need is name and email. So how can we quickly go from this to this? Just by adding a plugin. Stick around for this video and I'll show you how. My name is Neil Matthews and I'm a WordPress developer. I like to show non-technical WooCommerce store owners how to make changes to the site without writing custom code. I'm available, of course, if you do need any custom code at neilmatthews.com. So let's get started, add a plugin and get rid of those unwanted fields. So we've gone over to our plugins area and we're going to add a new plugin. If you do a search for checkout form, I'll link to the plugin to make sure you get the right one in the video description. It's the one by theme hide that we're looking for. So if you install that and activate it in the normal way, and then if you go to WooCommerce, we'll have this new option called checkout form. Now, think about which fields you actually need. The more fields you have on your form, the more friction there is in the form and the more likely people are going to abandon their cart and not check out. The fewer fields, the better it is. A good example is if you have a required phone field that you can't check out without putting in your phone. If a person doesn't like to be contacted by your phone, that's a real turn off for them and they're likely going to abandon cart. So get rid of anything that's required or is not absolutely necessary. In the scenario we're looking at today, let's imagine we're selling virtual products. So all we need is name and email. All the rest is unnecessary. So using this plugin, what we can do is select the fields we don't want. So let's keep our name and we want our email as well. All the rest we can mark as disabled. And then save those changes. If I refresh my checkout now, you'll see a lot of those fields are gone. We've still got the ship to a different address and the order notes. So let's get rid of those now by going over to shipping fields, disable them. Shipping fields will appear if we selected a different address. And let's get rid of our additional fields as well. Disable that and save it. Now if we refresh our checkout, you can see everything's gone and all we have is name, address and email address. We still have this ship to a different address. That is not a field, that's a setting within WooCommerce. So if we jump over the back end and go to WooCommerce settings and then shipping options, what we can do is force shipping to the customer billing address. So if we do that, then refresh, you'll see that it's gone. So just to recap, we've got rid of the fields that we don't need, and that in turn reduces checkout friction, stops abandoned carts, and hopefully improves your bottom line by getting more people to check out. If you need help with your WooCommerce store, jump on over to neilmatthews.com and I'll be there to help you.